Hello and welcome you guys to Free Tech TV. Today what I have for you guys is another great video. We're going to be unboxing the Mavic Air Drone. Very excited. I did shoot this video with my twin brother. So we had fun shooting this and making this for you guys. We also included a test flight for you guys as well. We did this in my brother's apartment, so I apologize in advance for the bad lighting, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. More videos coming every week to you guys where we do everything tech. Thanks again for watching. We got our machete here. Carrying case. Got the controller. How small that thing is.
The drone was in here. This was empty.
Pro drone. Came a long way in the last couple of years in this drone technology. You should just be able to throw it in the air and it just kicks out and starts automatically. It would be dope.
People do that. People will toss them and turn them on.
Yeah. Getting the blades out. Hopefully the battery comes fully charged.
This one folds down. Look at this.
Got the instruction booklet, controller, and some blade guards.
Hell yeah. Bring me the blade guards. Throw 2 karmas. I don't need to break this one.
Ayo. Inside the other box here, we have the charging cables, USB Type-C cord, as well as the power brick itself. Let's get this thing plugged in, go outside, and see how this thing works. What's neat about this power brick is we'll see that it has 2 USB ports, so you can charge the controller and your mobile device all at the same time, making it really convenient when you're on the go. So here's everything inside the boxes laid out. We're going to get this thing put together, go outside, and have some fun with it. So you can see the size here compared to a MacBook laptop.
It's crazy.
Then compared to the Samsung Galaxy phone. Charging the drone can take up to 55 minutes. The directions here are a bit more complicated than we had initially thought. But about an hour from now, we should be having this thing pretty well put together. Some people don't like to read directions. We got the blade guards assembled and ready to go. Our battery's at 90%. We are now setting up the application, DJI-4. Our drone is now fully charged, got the controller set up, got the battery connected. We are now ready to go test flight this Mavic Air. You ready? First, power on. We're just simply connecting the phone to the controller here by extending the arms of the controller using the right adapter. It comes with USB 3.0, USB 2.0, as well as the iPhone Lightning cord as well. So any device is certainly compatible with this controller. Connection successful. So the camera is connected to the smartphone here, to the controller, and we're ready for takeoff. So the drone is on, and we are going outside. We got the green light. Look like we're ready to go. Slide to take off. We learned before takeoff here we have to calibrate the drone, and we are taking off. First flight.
Staying real steady the camera for how shaky it is with the wind.
And that is due to the nice gimbal that is attached to the camera there. So it'll certainly have very steady shots. Let's look at the view from up there. Got the nice view of the city. Make it do a 360. And that is the Mavic Air. You've been watching Free Tech TV. I have the drone right here, just hovering. You can definitely feel the wind here. We'll get the zoom, the drone focused in here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. More videos like this coming every week to you guys. Appreciate all the thumbs up, all the views, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Will auto land. You just seen there that the drone will auto land, auto take off. Really came a long way with these drones. There's the auto takeoff. How perfectly steady that is.